Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this awesome text animation in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to adjust the duration here and I'm going to type in awesome, because why not, you know? And I'm also going to pick a font here that I like. Well, you can use any font that you want, of course. I swear it takes me like so long to find a font here. I'm just going to go with this one and I'm just going to leave the color of the text like that. You can also change it if you'd like to, but make sure it's going to be the same color as your glow. So I'm just going to select this blue one first, right click, create compound clip, and you're going to go to effects here and you're going to type in slash vibe. That's not how you type slash. Again, that's incorrect. There you go. And you're just going to add it to your text. As you can see, it turned it red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the video here, select the edits tab, and change the color to either this blue or this green one that basically is the same color as my text. You can adjust the size, the spread, etc., etc. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!